All right, everybody, I'm out here with the X150. This is courtesy of John Cuppi. He sent me this last year. And I flew it once, but the weather was real bad. It was real shitty out, so figured I'd bring it out again. Here it has a micro SD card slot, 720p camera right there in the front. So we're gonna fly this around for a little bit. See what happens. Let's just see. Let's start some video. Yay, the video started. Boy, look at that flip. Not sure where the... Oh, okay. Oh, that's the takeoff. This thing flies nice, man. I don't know what the deal was last year when I flew it. There was some kind of issue. I know the weather was terrible, for one thing. I knew that was an issue. Oh yeah, look at that thing go. Gotta watch what I'm doing here. Seems to be wanting to drift back toward me a lot. So I don't know what the story is with that. Look at that, I don't even have the... Okay. Maybe I went too far. Okay, I did some trim on it. I don't know if I confused the optical flow sensor on it or something. Been doing all that zipping around, but I'm pretty sure it has one here. Right there. So, yeah, this thing's flying, man. This thing is nice. Thanks, Cup. I don't recall what size the battery was in here, but it's fast. This thing is fast. Wow, what a nice flyer, man. John Cuppi is the man, okay? John Cuppi is the man. Cupparoo. Well, it's doing that where it's drifting back to me. I think it's the optical flow on this thing, trying to figure shit out. Had that one last week that was kind of like that. Oh, that, you know, that super turd that I sent Ryan Duvall. Yeah, you can see it dancing around a little bit. Yeah, and there's got the little Wi-Fi antenna sticking out right there too. So, yeah, this thing, wow. Thing flies nice, man. Real nice. Real happy with this thing. It's very maneuverable. Okay, it's getting ready to land. I think the video quit on it. Yay. There it is, X150. A real classic. All right, guys, there you go. Thanks, Cup. I'll talk to you later.